Welcome to Section 4 of our LinkedIn Ads video training. In this section, we will talk about setting up a marketing plan for LinkedIn, applying best practices for your content and campaign, using targeting like a pro, applying premium tips for compelling company updates, driving quality leads with sponsored content, and top LinkedIn advertising questions answered. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Setting up a marketing plan for LinkedIn. Many online marketers seem to forget that creating a roadmap to have an idea where their advertising should go is essential for a successful venture. Sometimes this happens because some marketers get very confident in their ways and end up using the same strategies over time without realizing it. But many others, especially new marketers, tend to just go along and market without a concise plan. But the truth is that having a concise marketing plan is vital when you start deciding over what kind of products or services to launch and what social media channels are optimal for distributing what your business produces. In this video, we will help you to set up a marketing plan on LinkedIn. Before we start, we want to break down some numbers for you. Here is what other business-to-business marketers have found out about including LinkedIn ads in their marketing efforts through careful planning. 92% of business-to-business marketers have found that LinkedIn has become their platform of choice for marketing their business. 72% of business-to-business marketers have stated that a whopping 80% of their leads come from LinkedIn. 43% of business-to-business marketers say that they have sourced customers from the platform. So now grab a pen and paper and listen up, because we're going to start mapping a marketing plan for you to follow and implement in your LinkedIn marketing venture. Start by defining the right approach when using LinkedIn to market. The right approach when marketing on LinkedIn is to define how to advertise your products or services to a professional audience. Remember that LinkedIn is, unlike other social media channels, tailored for career-minded people, and you should market to them as such. The core principles to follow from start to finish are to target the audiences of professionals that are right for your business, and don't try too hard to reach everybody else. To engage these audiences with meaningful content, to drive quality leads, and to acquire new customers. Remember that these people are professionals just like you, and you have to think like them in order to reach and convert them. Creating brand awareness. Brand awareness on LinkedIn is incredibly important because people on the platform not only follow brands for the sake of following brands, they strongly gravitate towards brands that they know and interact with. Brand awareness must be created early in the purchase process. You have to share high-quality content to make your brand be perceived as an authority and position your business as a thought leader, which is highly valued in the platform. How-to videos and career-specific advice are two types of content that drive brand awareness. Driving sales through interactions. There is a very large number of high-quality audiences on LinkedIn, and it will be your job to assess which ones will align best with your business. To drive sales through interactions with your audience, you will need to understand and implement the following strategies into your marketing plan. Your audience will mainly interact with your brand through the content and insights shared by it, so bear this in mind, as 5 to 10 pieces of content are consumed by leads before they convert and make a purchase. Consider creating up to 10 pieces of content such as articles and freebies that can be given to prospects to lead them through a final purchase funnel. White paper and other forms of long-form content can act as catalysts for driving sales. Delivering your content. There are two ways to deliver your content to engage your audience on LinkedIn. A mix of these two content delivery methods will give you greater odds for success. The organic way to deliver your content is through the creation and sharing of high-quality content on your LinkedIn company page. Organic reach will be achieved when people start finding and sharing the content to their professional peers. The paid method requires you promote your content using LinkedIn's built-in advertising functions such as sponsored in-mail, display ads, and dynamic ads. Meeting your goals. The last but not least step in your marketing plan is to meet your goals. Regardless of the product or campaign being promoted, you should be able to reach these three objectives: create and maintain brand awareness, establish your brand as authority, generate leads and new customers.